Today's challenge comes from one of you in the comments, and it's genius. I made a dictionary of cities with how far they are away from me, a guess variable for how much fuel I've got, and a car's fuel efficiency in kilometers per liter. Then I wrote this function to see if I can reach a city without running out of gas. Let me try it. If I can get to Paris with 10 liters of gas. Nope, need a bike instead. Thanks to Kakos for the idea. I hope I read the name correctly. Drop yours in the comments. I might build yours next. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow.